welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to receive WhatsApp notification on FlexiFunnels sales. So here I am a seller on FlexiFunnels, and in this case I want whenever a new purchase is made, automatically I should receive a notification with the purchase details. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be FlexiFunnels and our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to receive a WhatsApp message on new FlexiFunnels sales. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as receive WhatsApp notification on FlexiFunnels sales. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels and my trigger event as new purchase. And here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we will use this webhook URL to connect our FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, here I have already logged in my FlexiFunnels account. And here under products, you can see the product which I am selling with the name web camera. So here I'm going to click on this product. From here I'm going to click on this set rules. And from here I'm going to click on this plus set product rules. Here for the when condition, I'm going to select product is purchased. And here in use, I'm going to select webhook. And now here it is asking me to give a name to my webhook. So here I'm going to give the name as WhatsApp notification. And for the webhook URL, let me take you back to my Pabbly window. Here I'm going to copy this webhook URL back to FlexiFunnels account, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. Now after entering the webhook URL, here I'm going to click on this save and then this save again. So here we have successfully set up our webhook. Now let's move back to our Pabbly window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. So to receive a trigger response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to make a new purchase. And for that, let me take you to my FlexiFunnels sales page. So this is the product which I'm selling. From here I'm going to click on this buy now. And now here I'm going to enter a dummy data and do a test submission. Here I'm going to enter the first name as demo, last name as user, email as demo123@pabblytunes.com, a random phone number and a dummy card number, month, year, CVC and zip. And now I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a new purchase. So now let's go back to our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received phone number, last name, first name, email and other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API and my action event as send template message. And now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all these details, I need to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here in Meta for developers, I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account where I have received temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. But here you can see I have received a temporary access token. That means this token will expire in 23 hours. So to build a permanent connection, you need a permanent access token, and for that you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. To learn how to do this, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. So now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly window. Here I've entered all the details and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are successfully connected. So now moving forward, and now here it is asking for template name. So for that, let me take you back to my WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And here in step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. Here in message templates window, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use. If you want to learn how to create your own template, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Now here I'm going to select my desired template. And here you can see the message which I have drafted which says new purchase alert. Hello, you have received a new order in FlexiFunnels. Sales page ID, customer's name, customer's contact number, customer's email, and then it says thank you for your attention to this new purchase. Now here you can see I have used variables in the place of the values for the sales page ID, customer's name, customer's contact number and customer's email. So here I have used variables because I want whenever a new purchase is made, automatically this previously existing detail should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic. Also you can add multiple variables in your text. So now moving back to Pabbly window. Here I'm going to select my template name which is lead notification. And after selecting the template name, automatically this language code and selected template ID will be updated. Now moving forward, here it is asking for recipient mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message. So here in this case I want whenever a new purchase is made, automatically I should receive a WhatsApp notification. So here for the recipient mobile number, I am going to enter my own WhatsApp number. So here I've entered my number. Now moving forward, here it is asking for body field 1. That means here I need to enter the value for my sales page ID. So here instead of entering data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my FlexiFunnels new purchase. Mapping also makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new purchase is made, automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the sales page ID. Here for the body field 2, here I'm going to map the customer's name. So here I'm going to select the first name first, space, last name. And here for body field 3, here I'm going to map the data for my customer's contact number. And here lastly for the body field 4, here I'm going to map the customer's email address. So here I'm done mapping the data and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where message status is accepted. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp message. And here you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message which says new purchase alert. Hello, you have received a new order in FlexiFunnels with the sales page ID, customer's name as demo user, customer's contact number and customer's email as demo123@pabblytunes.com. And lastly here it says thank you for your attention to this new purchase. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to make another new purchase. And for that, let me take you back to my FlexiFunnels sales page. Here I'm going to click on this buy now. And here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here I'm going to enter the first name as test, last name as user, email as test123@pabblytunes.com, a random phone number, dummy card number, month, year, CVC and zip. And now I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a new purchase. Now it may take few seconds to receive a new WhatsApp message. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have received another WhatsApp message with the same message template and different details where we have received customer's name as test user, customer's contact number and customer's email as test123@pabblytunes.com. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as FlexiFunnels and our action as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever a new purchase is made in our FlexiFunnels account, automatically I should receive a WhatsApp notification with the new purchase details. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.